right, Nature Too Can Preach is coming to you in a video form from this clip. The basis of Nature Too Can Preach is from the scripture in Psalms 19 verse 2. Day unto day uttereth speech, and night unto night showeth knowledge. We discover that there is something every day has to say, and there is something every night has to show. Medically, we discover that it has been shown your heart beats about 100,000 times in a day and about 35 million times in a year. That is every year. And then your heart beats more than 2.5 billion times in a lifetime. As a kid, your heart is about the size of your fist. But when you become an adult, your heart is the size of your two fists. But there is another medical mystery. Maybe I call it a mystery or medical truth or fact that your waist is twice the circumference of your neck, and then your neck is twice the circumference of your wrist. But there's something more enigmatic that is coming forth, and we're going to show you now that your height is actually in the length of your hands, and we're going to see it on display now.